Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm on a downwind, I'm gonna go ahead and enter the 45 degrees, like this. As you can see, split these two in between, 45's around here. I'm gonna keep that turn coming. The wind shows me that I'm 45 degrees already. Let me keep that descent coming down. Now I'm gonna pick my pylons. I like that one right there. You see this white thing? The white pylon? And I guess I'll pick the edge of this island. Alright, so now this is a good distance.
And New York approach Bonanza 544 Sierra Tango back with you.
It doesn't really show you
Number 544 Sierra Tango, thank you, white 10.
Seconds apart.
There you go, 4 Sierra Tango. And we'd like to request vectors for the RNAV 18 at Oxford, and this will be it for
How
us.
to do this is that I'm going to
Number 544 Sierra Tango, radar contact, maintain VFR at all times, and practice approach to the cruise. If you need vectors, you're going to be below my minimum vectoring altitude.
off the wing. One off the wing.
4 Sierra Tango, we'll vector ourselves and report inbound. Thanks very much.
Very
Roger.
gentle bank.
Delta 13966, contact approach 120.05.
Soda can in between the distance.
Approach 12005,
string attached to it. You see how it's ahead of my wing, so I'm going to push forward. Alright, push forward to catch up because of my head going, right? Push forward.
New York, good speed 809, 6000, direct Carmel.
Now it's in the middle of my wingtip. Okay.
Jet speed 809, near the approach, altimeter 3035.
Slowly in my wingtip,
Thank you,
slowly
speed
lift up
809.
that nose, and just hold it here. Okay, you can just hold it right here.
Number 4 Sierra Tango, just report inbound on the final.
We'll report inbound on the final 4 Sierra Tango. Thanks.
It's on final. You see how it's getting ahead of me, so I gotta pitch down to catch up to it. Don't worry about the altitude. Slowly pitch down. Notice how it's still on my wingtip. Right there, right? Yep. It's in the middle, so I'm gonna hold it here. Hold it. Now notice how I'm not touching power. Really don't want to touch power with this maneuver. It's still getting behind me. I'm not pushing down enough. Now, at the same time, I'm going to look for my second pylon, which I already picked out. You never want to, like, switch pylons. Oh. Thermals. I see my second pylon over there. Keep an eye on it. And once you complete that turn, you can also start getting back to your pivotal altitude with all this energy. And then you want to do the right one.
So basically, is it like 2 turns around the point?
Yeah, not turns around a point. You got to keep that wingtip on your on the pylon.
Care 6, we get like 4,000 now.
Wingtip
Yeah.
on the pylon.
Like pretend there's a string attached to that wingtip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Corner approach, say again.
Hey, you're not making like a
Carrier 6
perfect
requesting
circle.
4,000.
You're never gonna get 2 perfect circles.
Carrier
Here's
6
the
is
one
gonna
on the
maintain
right side.
4,000.
Yeah, like
Down to 4,000.
yeah, flex controls. Just keep it on
Number
the
514 Delta Tango, contact Bradley approach 123.9.
Visibility 10. 2,600 scattered. Temperature 2.15. Altimeter 3036. ILS, runway 16 in use. Landing and departing 1611. Taxiway Charlie run-up pad closed. Runway 16, precision approach path indicator out of service. Temporary flight restrictions in effect. Contact flight service station for additional information. For CPPLC Logan, use KUSA. Caution, birds in vicinity of airport. Read Echo runway hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Zulu.
What's the information?
Zulu.
Westchester County Airport arrival / departure information Zulu. 1656 Zulu. Wind 090 at 7. Visibility 10. 2,600 scattered.
Code contact Oxford Tower 118.47.
Lower Tower 11847, thanks again for your help.
We can try tower first if they'll let us in.
What's that?
We can call tower
We don't
first.
have
Number 52522, traffic for Caravan. 1256 miles southwestbound, Vicinity.
Westchester Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, November 53 Alpha Alpha, 10 miles east of the field with Zulu. inbound full stop.
You can turn inbound now.
Cessna 53 Alpha Alpha, wish to Star Squawk 0206.
Zero 0206 for the squawk, 53 Alpha Alpha.
Four Foxtrot Sierra, stay parking.
Signature West.
4 Foxtrot Sierra, turn right at Kilo, contact ground.
Kilo and ground, 4 Fox Sierra. It's alright if we come back to it here?
That's fine. You can make the flight 180 to Fox to Kilo.
Okay.
Alpha Alpha, radar contact 2 miles north of Stanford, wish to altimeter is 3035, altitude 2100 feet. Make left traffic runway 11, keep her down 1 inside, the number's runway 16.
And 53 Alpha Alpha is clear, inbound, 3035 for the altimeter, and we're going to keep the downwind for runway 11 inside, the number's 16, 53 Alpha Alpha.
Gotcha.
Runway 203 is in sequence, Alpha 16.
Charlie 203, wish to start, just hold for the Phenom and the pad. I'm going to get them out, they have the time to meet.
Roger.
425 Lima Hotel, left traffic runway 16.
Roger, left traffic, runway 16, 5 Hotel.
And the helicopter calling ground, go ahead. Calling tower, go ahead.
6 Victor Kilo is looking for departure from Mike Kilo on Echo to the east.
916 Victor Kilo, wish to start, hold short run, just hold your current position on Mike Kilo.
6 Victor Kilo holding position, Mike Kilo.
And Bonanza Sun 4th Air, traffic off your left is a Cessna 1500 feet in the left downwind for runway 11.
74 Sierra looking.
And 3 Alpha Alpha, traffic off your left is a Bonanza, their runway heading for now at 1200 feet.
Roger that, traffic inside, 53 Alpha Alpha.
Thank you.
74 Sierra has traffic.
Thank you, 74 Sierra, and right behind that traffic, you can start your left turn to the north. Additional traffic over Stanford is a Caravan, 1900 feet.
Okay, 74 Sierra in the turn.
Thank you. And 5 Lima Hotel traffic will pass you from left to right is a Bonanza northbound.
We'll be looking 5 Hotel.
6 Shoot Alpha, contact ground at Charlie.
Contact down, and thank you very much for your help. 6 Juliet Alpha.
Anytime. Flexure 379, wind 1108, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Runway 16, clear for takeoff, Flexure 379.
Westchester Tower, Care 6, 2510 to the east with Zulu.
Care 6, Westchester Tower, 120816, continue, just keep it squared, it's going to be number 3.
Okay, we'll aim for Zimmer for Care 6.
And Tower 53 Alpha Alpha is midfield left downwind 11.
3 Alpha Alpha, I'll call your base turn.
You'll call the base, 53 Alpha Alpha.
3 Alpha Alpha, are you able to land and hold short runway 16?
Affirmative, 53 Alpha Alpha.
Runway 11, clear to land, hold short runway 16, traffic will land and depart runway 16.
Clear to land runway 11 and hold short of 16, 53 Alpha Alpha.
And Care 6, traffic at your 11 and 12 o'clock in about 5 miles. There's a Bonanza 2,000 feet northbound.
Okay, Care 6, I was looking.
Bonanza 74 Sierra, traffic at your 2 to 3 o'clock in about 5 miles, 2,200 feet is a twin Cessna westbound.
Short landing?
Okay, 74 Sierra looking.
Yeah.
Runways and clear for takeoff, thanks for your help.
Yeah.
Care 6 has Bonanza in sight, no pressure.
Flexure 379, New York 20.8.
New York 20.8, 379, thanks, Yip.
Thank you. And Bonanza 74 Sierra, traffic no factor, contact New York 20.8.
Okay, over to New York, thanks.
Care 6, thank you, and your number 2 on the Caravan in the midfield down for runway 16.
Care 6 has the Caravan in sight.
No need to power.
Skywest 3226, wind is 1806, 16, clear for takeoff.
16, clear for takeoff, Sky 3226.
5 Lima Hotel, you're going to be number 1 to the field, traffic lands runway 11, we'll hold short of your runway. Wind 180 at 5, runway 16 cleared to land, and traffic is the regional jet departs runway 16, caution make turbulence.
Alright, runway 16, clear. Land runway 16, 5 Hotel.
(901) Romeo shows tower direct to the taxi brakes and straight in runway 11.
Oh, Japanese straight in 110.
We're good, we're good.
TIS not available.
Kira 616, good land.
Land 16, Kira 6.
Skywest 3226 in your right turn, New York 20.8.
20.8, Skywest 3226 here.
3 Alpha Alpha, turn right at Lima, contact ground.
Right on Lima and over the ground, 53 Alpha Alpha, thank you.
Alrighty, alright. Left rudder, right rudder. Too much rudder.
6 Victor Kilo, New York 20.8.
2021, 6 Victor Kilo, thanks for your help now.